Oh my gosh, you guys, the second you walk in, the smell of the wood and it just takes you in. So I think here's the kitchen. It's a 3 bedrooms. Is that right? It's a 3 bedroom.
3 bedroom, 2 bath.
2 bath.
Lofted cabin.
Lofted cabin.
Yep.
Here's the kitchen, nice and spacious. You get your stove. Lots of cabinetry for everything you want to store here.
And are all the appliances included?
And yeah, I think all the appliances are
All the
included.
appliances are included. As you can see, we got the stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher.
And here's your fridge right here, and I'm sure you can get a taller one.
Yes,
You just have a
yes.
model here, right?
Right, that's just a mini fridge we have as a model. But when you order your cabin, you will get a regulation size refrigerator.
Yeah, and look at this beautiful window. If you just imagine this window at your lot, looking out with wherever this cabin is gonna go. It's gorgeous. I love this window. Lots of light, natural light in the kitchen. And we have a little pantry here. Can you get over here, Ozzy, so you can show
Yes.
the pantry? I would put shelves in here, whatever. It's like tons of storage here. You can even put a little cabinet here with, I'm thinking like maybe like a cabinet, and with the top, you can, if you have like anything you want to store, I don't know.
Yeah.
People have all kinds of appliances in the kitchen they want to store.
Absolutely.
And we
Absolutely.
have a bathroom over here. I love this bathroom. It's really nice and spacious. It's big, beautiful mirror over here, and of course your linen closet over here again. You're gonna have to do your own shelving, or I don't know, maybe we can add it too, right?
Yeah, yeah, if that's what they
These
want.
cabins are built to order.
Yep.
So we can customize it to fit your needs.
Yep.
And over here we could have our washer and dryer. These are the hookup. It comes like this. Washer and dryers are never included because everybody has their own favorite brands, as
Yep.
I hear from Josie.
Yep. What's behind this door here, Nadia?
And, is this your utility, right?
Yep. There's your
And
water heater.
water heater.
Yep.
And again, storage if you want to store your.
And remember too, guys, if you don't want a 40-gallon water heater like this, we can also do a on-demand tankless water heater as well. So just keep that in mind. You do have the option to rotate between an on-demand water heater and a tankless water heater. Okay, what else you got for us,
I
Nadia?
forgot to show this over here. I think this is really cool.
Oh, the pocket door. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So we got a pocket door here for privacy. And voila, there's your pocket door, and that's what it looks like when it's closed.
And let's show this cabinet still.
Yep. Your soft close.
Soft close.
Yep, soft close.
Yep.
Beautiful knotty pine kitchen cabinets. Okay.
Yes. And over here is going to be your living room area.
Mhm.
You have another door that goes outside. And guys, if you want to have a porch on the other side, that option is available too. We can do that. We can add that, of course. And you know, I would call this like I would like to put my couch maybe this way. I mean, you can design it however you want, but like this wall, I think is perfect for TV, entertaining, and whatever, you know. And
Absolutely. And on that note, you'll notice, guys, what we did here, and what Nadia was just pointing out, that white wall there is actually made of birch plywood, not sheetrock. So it's solid wood. That way, when we transport it, it doesn't crack during transportation. And we did that wall as well as the back kitchen splash wall over here in the birch plywood in white, just to show y'all that if you don't want all that pine, we can break it up for you a little bit. You're not stuck to getting the knotty pine look. We can do all white walls, we can do all pine, or in this case, we can do a combination of both, okay?
And again, you got your windows in the living room, one over on this side and another one on that side.
Yep, lots of natural light. Yep, coming in.
Yeah, and this is your master bedroom, nice and cozy. Another window up there, and we have another bathroom over here, which I think this is so cool.
Yep.
Like if you have guests over, or if you're a small family, you have your own privacy, and you know, you have your own bathroom, and these, the shower, and another window.
Yeah, scoot on back there in the shower so folks can see the size of that.
Oh,
It's a really good size. See, there you go. And remember too, guys, this one is a one of those walk-in showers for safety purposes. It's got the little stool there. So ladies, if you want to sit down, shave your legs without falling.
Oh yeah.
And you know, if you're older and you want to sit down, wash your toes without risking falling, getting in and out, very simple. But if you're a lady that's die hard about getting a tub, just keep in mind, we can do that as well. So again, we go through this stage called the Burger King stage during the design phase, where you get to design the cabin the way you want it. And if you want a tub, just let us know. We can accommodate that. But if you like this walk-in concept with a little seat in it for safety, we can do that as well.
Very cool, very cool. And of course, I love all of this extra storage.
Lots of storage there in the bathroom.
Lots of storage in the bathroom. I mean, my gosh, all of your makeup, your towels, whatever. It's perfect.
Yep. There you go, guys. We're trying to make sure you guys get the whole vibe. Now, this bed here, just to give you reference with Nadia standing by it, this is a queen size bed. But we can easily accommodate a king size bed by maybe moving this wall out a little bit. As you can see, there is room to do it. You just got to let us know again how you want us to design it. There you can see we can put that electrical panel. I know that's not the most attractive thing there, but we can go ahead and put it somewhere else if you want us to whenever you have your cabin design. As you can see, that is a full 200 amp electric panel. You got your tongue and groove walls here, tongue and groove pine. Behind that, you have your 2x6s with your R factor insulation. We can do fiberglass or spray foam, and then you got your D-log siding on the outside of the cabin. Okay.
Don't forget the little storage here.
Oh yes, under the stairs. Yeah, under the stairs. We got some cleaning stuff under there, but that's a little nook there for storage underneath the stairs. The Amish are all about no space goes to waste, right?
Absolutely.
And you see the beautiful.
I love the railings.
Yep, beautiful rustic knotty pine rails. You can see the character in them, right? So she's on her way up right now to the second floor of the Big Bertha 3.0.
And another bedroom. Oh my gosh, my son would love this space up here. How cute is this for, you know, for a little kid or, you know, even a teenager? I mean,
absolutely, really absolutely. Nice, I call this the A-frame bedroom because it looks like a little A-frame.
Yep.
And when you
walk all the way back there without like or anything, another window.
Absolutely.
And
so
wow, beautiful.
And Nadia's about 5'3", 5'4". Okay, so she's about 5'3", 5'4", guys. So as she's walking through this, keep that in mind. She's about 5'4". Okay, so keep that in mind just to give you guys a height reference. Okay.
Yep. And for what I heard, we can wall this up too. Is that what I heard? Correct.
So we can also wall this other side up for privacy. If you want to privatize that bedroom, we can totally wall that up, or we can leave it open. What a lot of people will do is they'll wall it off right here on this side of the dormer. That way you still have a little play area between both the bedrooms to hang out in. But another dormer here for more natural light.
Yep, it really does make a great looking office. It also like could be a really great, like if you have a toddler, whatever, big space for like a, you know, playroom.
Absolutely.
It's gorgeous.
All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot. to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got them pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love, okay? I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows, okay? Those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split, okay? And then you got one bedroom over here, okay? Which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here, or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there, and you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one, so let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here.